Abscess tooth natural and home remedies, the easiest and simplest home remedies for tooth abscess. An abscess tooth usually denotes either an infection at the base of the tooth near the roots, called a periapical abscess, or in between the tooth and its surrounding gums, tissues and bones, called a periodontal abscess. Common causes for tooth abscess. What causes tooth abscess in the first place? Most cases of tooth abscess are the result of bacterial infections caused by cavities or cracks in the teeth. A tooth abscess is not like a headache which would go away on its own. It is a bacterial infection that needs to be treated with the right combination of medications and home remedies. Here are some of the most common home remedies for abscess tooth that will help fight off the infection and its symptoms effectively. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use properly to cure abscess tooth completely within days. Garlic. Did you know that garlic contains loads of antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties? These would help you to reduce the inflammation caused by the tooth abscess as well as it prevents the infection from spreading further. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use garlic properly to cure abscess tooth completely within days. Coconut oil. Oil pulling would also be helpful to get rid of the bacteria in your mouth effectively. It is one of the most used home remedies for whiter teeth. Visit curenatural.info to know how to do oil pulling with coconut oil properly to cure abscess tooth completely within days. Peppermint oil. Peppermint consists of anti-inflammatory properties that would help reduce the inflammation caused by an abscessed tooth. The antiseptic properties of peppermint promote quick healing of the infection. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use peppermint oil properly to cure abscess tooth completely within days. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is loaded with antioxidant properties that help flush out toxins from the body, along with harmful bacteria. It also boosts your immunity and promotes the quick healing process. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use oregano oil properly to cure abscess tooth completely within days. Cloves. Use cloves to deal with such issues. It is considered as one of the best homemade treatments for every kind of dental issue. Clove can easily treat an abscessed tooth and its symptoms. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use cloves properly to cure abscessed tooth completely within days. Black tea. Black tea bags consist of tannins which help to reduce the inflammation, pain and discomfort caused by the condition. Black tea also contains plenty of antioxidants which help to fight off the infection easily. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use black tea properly to cure abscessed tooth completely within days. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a very potent disinfectant that can treat tooth infections with ease. It also has antibacterial properties that will get rid of the bacteria which lead to infection. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use hydrogen peroxide properly to cure abscessed tooth completely within days. Baking soda. Baking soda can effectively normalize the pH level of the saliva in your mouth. The cleansing action of baking soda removes any bacteria already present in your mouth, thus treating the tooth abscess quickly and effectively. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use baking soda properly to cure abscessed tooth completely within days. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another excellent home remedy for tooth abscesses. Its disinfectant properties help you to get rid of the bacteria causing the infection. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce the pain and inflammation caused by the abscessed tooth. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use properly to cure abscessed tooth completely within days. Pepper and salt. Tooth abscess can increase the sensitivity of the tooth and the surrounding gums. Both pepper and salt contain anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and analgesic properties that help to reduce the teeth's increased sensitivity to hot or cold foods. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use pepper and salt properly to cure abscessed tooth completely within days. Turmeric. The antibiotic, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties of turmeric do more than just a good job at eradicating the infection completely. It would also promote the tooth to heal from the infection in a quick and effective manner. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use turmeric properly to cure abscess tooth completely within days. Guava leaves. Guava leaves contain anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that flush out the bacteria and toxins hiding underneath the abscess tooth. This, in turn, would help bring down the severity of the symptoms considerably while treating the infection. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use guava leaves properly to cure abscess tooth completely within days. Papaya. Papaya's huge repository of nutrients that help fight off infections and boost the body's immune system. Treatment of abscess tooth using papaya will enable you to get rid of the symptoms of tooth abscess while dealing with the infection at the time. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use papaya properly to cure abscess tooth completely within days. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use all these home and natural remedies properly to cure abscess tooth completely within days.